Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to C-DAC step by step apply process part second video. In the first video, I already shared like C-DAC finally hiring is announced for the freshers batch, and I already shared all the location link Bangalore, Chennai, okay, Delhi, Hyderabad and other location. So in the video we will discuss about the complete registration process, final mail that is received after applying, biggest hiring for 24 to 2018 batch, and salary is updated 3.6 to 12 LPA. There is a freshers and experience salary. So let's start the video. First of all, I am sharing the link with all of you. Check that link. Okay, suppose you are from Bangalore, you are from Chennai, Delhi, Hyderabad, Kolkata, Mohali, Mumbai or Noida, Pune, Patna, any of the location. According to your city, okay, check the city. Okay, check your city in the first recruitment, like in the recruitment portal, in the recruitment page. Check your city. Suppose your city are there, so you can apply. Suppose you are from Bangalore, okay, and you are interested for project engineer opportunity, so you can check and apply for. Multiple roles are there, guys. You are freshers, you are experienced, you can apply. But the first thing, what about the 25 batch? So they mention candidate in the last semester who would completed the course before the appointment can also apply. However, if selected, the joining shall be after passing such examination with required minimum score only. So the thing is, they will check the graduation marks or graduation degree. So according to my experience, you have to wait for the next hiring 25 batch. You can apply after your graduation. Okay. And the one most important point, that is important note. Okay, you like you can apply for 2 posts or not. So they mention candidate, those who are applying for multiple posts should submit separate application for each post. The one most important point they clearly mention, okay, like you are like suppose you are submitting for multiple posts, but you have to submit the separate application. But one most important point, I suggest apply for one process, okay, like follow one role process. Okay, suppose you are interested for that, so you can follow. But one most important point, you can contact the particular C-DAC team, like they are allowing or not. Okay, so the most important point, because all the roles are same most probably at the other location as well. So first is project engineer. Okay, number of position 45, upper age limit is 35. Don't confuse with the age. So 4.49 LPA to 7.11 LPA. Okay, so it is the experience. Suppose you are applying for opportunity. So suppose you are from Noida, you are from Delhi or other location. So check the notification. You are interested in civil engineering hiring, view details and apply. Okay, this is for experience, but you have to check for the freshers as well. So how to apply? You have to click on view details and apply now button. This is for project year, project engineer, 5 number of post, 0 to 3 year, 24 to 21 batch. This is the degree that they want. Skill set is this. Okay, initial CTC is 4.49 LPA to 7.11 LPA. Duration is 3 year. In some hiring the contractual duration is 3 year. In some of the hiring there is a no contractual duration. Okay, how to apply? You have to click on apply now button. So after verifying the OTP, all the details will be there. Okay, so you have to check all of your details. First of all, you have to fill all the location and other things. So what is the preferred location? We are applying for Bangalore. Suppose you are open for other location, so you have to click on yes. Okay, you have to select the title. Okay, that is very important. After that, applicant name, all the details. I am filling all the. So when you upload your photo here, so this type of application will be shown here. You have to click on save draft here, and after that next option will be showing. We will move forward to the qualification part. Okay, first of all, we have to select the domain from drop down. Suppose you are you are okay with artificial intelligence, cyber security, machine learning, so you can choose data science according to your things. Okay, you have to choose qualification. What's your qualification? BE, BTech, ME, MTech or equivalent, postgraduate or PhD. I am choosing the BE, BTech. What is the qualification name? Okay, Bachelor of Technology. And specialization area of research, I have to choose my branch computer science. What is my university? So you have to select, you have to fill your full name. Okay, so I am just writing RGPV Bhopal, but I have to write Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki University. Okay, like Rajiv Gandhi Pradyogiki Vishwavidyalaya. Okay, So passing date, I have to choose the passing date. What's your passing date? So suppose I am 2021 graduate, you are 24 graduate, you are 23 graduate, so you have to choose option. Okay, suppose I am graduating in July 2021. What's my percentage? So if your CGPA is there, so convert your CGPA to percentage. Okay, it is not necessary, just remove that. Okay, suppose if you have a ME MTech degree or other qualification, you can mention. Okay, so paper publication presentation, significant achievement in which career which may support your candidature. So in that you can mention your achievements. Okay, like suppose you done any internship, you won some of the projects, you won some of the awards. Okay, you did some of the internship. कोई भी अचीवमेंट है उसमें मेंशन कर सकते हैं. एसोसिएट एंड एफिलिएशन विथ प्रोफेशनल बॉडीज, ये भी आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं. क्लिक ऑन सेव ड्राफ्ट हियर. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट. नाउ द थर्ड थिंग विल बी कम, दैट इज अ वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. सो वर्क एक्सपीरियंस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ओके, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस जैसे हम फिल नहीं करेंगे प्रीवियस वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. ओके, इट इज नॉट मैंडेटरी, नो प्रॉब्लम. यू कैन, इफ यू आर फ्रेशर, you can mention. No, nothing to mention here. You have to just click on save draft. All details will be saved and click on next. Now the main point will be references and declaration. Please furnish 2 reference of person of high social stature. Suppose your college faculty, your college TPO, or some of the like other people's, but references from relative, friends, extra should be avoided. Okay, so that's the most important point. You can give your reference of your college faculty. Okay, या मान लीजिए अगर आप कोई स्पोर्ट्स खेलते हैं, स्पोर्ट्स में कोई बड़ी पोजीशन पे है जिनको आप जानते हैं, कोई डांस से रिलेटेड है, सो आप उनके रेफरेंसेस यहां पर दे सकते हैं. आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन एग्री टू टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन. आई एम गिविंग रेफरेंस, एंड आफ्टर दैट सो योर डिटेल्स विल बी सेव्ड. यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन हियर. So the complete details will be there, preview. Okay, what's your name, mobile number, everything, personal qualification. Okay, paper publication, work experience. Okay, so this is the experience, all the details. You have to choose your resume will be upload. Okay, so your resume is uploaded. You have to click on submit option here, and your application details will be submitted. Dear Lokesh, your application ID is this. Okay, important point, like you will receive this type of message. Your application for post of project engineer application software, AI algorithm development, everything is mentioned here. Okay, so this is all about the today's video. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching the video.